Yes. The next important chapter is decision making. So decision making in C is if statement. Using if statement or if else statement, we can do some decision. For example, if some condition, the syntax for if statement is if condition then set of statements. Okay, so this is also called as a simple if statement. This is also called as a simple if statement or if statement. Otherwise it will do the other statements. For example, if A is greater than B, print A. Okay, otherwise some set of statements after that I am doing simply. Okay, this is called as a simple if statement. And the next one is if else statement. If this condition is true, then set of statements will be executed. This is called as a true block. Okay, then if the condition is false, I have to do another set of statements, that is called else statement. Else set of statements. This is called as a false block statement. This is called as a false block. Okay, this is true block and this is called as a false block statement. So in a C decision making using if statement, there are three if statements. One is if simple if, and another one is if else structure, and then another one is nested if. If statement consists of another if statement. Okay, so if the if condition consists of another if condition. Okay, if the if condition in the loop, I am having another if condition statement. See, here it is a if and here it is a. So this is called as a nested if. This is called as a nested if statement. Okay, for example, if A is greater than B, and also I am checking if A is greater than C. So in this program, here you are having a if statement, and inside a if statement you have another if statement. This is called as a nested if statement. Okay, in a decision making is done using the if statement. So this is three types. One is simple if statement and another one is if else statement. If the condition is true, then true block will be executed, else false block will be executed using if else statement. Okay, and nested if means if the if consists of another if inside, then it is called as a nested if statement. And another decision making statement is switch statement. So switch is a multi decision making statement. So here you previously you have seen that one or two cases. So if I have a multiple decision, for example, the 0 to 30 it is a failure, 35 to 50 it is grade A, grade D, or 80 to 90 or 90 to 100 is one grade and 80 to 70 is another grade or something like that. So at that time we are using switch statement. So the syntax for switch statement is, syntax is switch expression or value. You can give any expression or value. Okay, switch open parenthesis case value and colon. Okay, case 1 and case value 2. Okay, up to you can give case n. Okay, variable n and default. So this is the structure of if statement. This is the structure of if statement. If the expression is matched with any one of the cases, it will go to the particular case and it will execute from there. Okay, for example, switch character. Okay, so character is C. Okay, I'm entered a particular character. So if this character is case A means A enters. Okay, print of A enters. Or if case E means, so some set of statements. Case I means, so some set of statements. So this is for vowels counting how many A's, how many E, how many I. So for that or 𝐾𝐶𝐻. Okay, so similarly you can write many number of cases using the switch statement and default statement, right? Okay, so write down in your note neatly. Okay, so this is some set of statements inside. Okay, so case A you have some set of statements, and case E you have some set of statements program, case I, case O, and case U. Okay, so what the switch statement does, it is a multi-way decision making statement. If this character, whatever I am entering the character for C, if I am assigning a character A for if I enter A for character C, then it will come here, switch expression. So what is the explanation for switch? If any one of the expression is matched with the label, then that particular case will be executed. For example, the C value is A. So this is matched with this case. Okay, so this is matched with this case, then the cursor will, then the computer will come here and it will do what are the statements here given, right? So and then case E and then case I. So if it will do automatically in the below cases. Okay, if case A and this is case E and I, O, U. If any one of the cases not matched with the variable C, okay, if any one of the value, if any one of the value is not matched with any of the cases, then it will work out the default case. Okay, in a default I can give no cases are matched. Okay, for example, a person should enter the sex as male and female. So if they are not given that case, then I can give it as default, no cases are matched, or it is invalid or like that. So this is the use of switch statement. The switch is a multi-way decision making statement. So the syntax is switch and expression or value, and inside the open parenthesis and close parenthesis after default, case value 1 and case value variable 2 and case value up to n and default. So this is colon, this is also keyword, and this is also keyword. Okay, so if any one of the expression is matched with this label case, this is called label. So any one of the value or expression is matched with the case label, that part is executed, and it executes the below cases. Okay, it will execute in the below cases also. So to avoid this, I want only execute the case A alone. After that, it has to come out from the switch block. That means I have to give break statement. If you give the break statement, it will execute the case A and it will switch out from the switch loop. Okay, if you won't give the break statement, if I am giving C equal to I, it will execute the I and it will also execute O and it will execute the U also. It will execute the below cases if you won't give the break statement. If you give the break statement, the particular case which is matched with the label and expression value, that particular case is executed. Understood? Yes.